Hello everyone, if you are new to here, my name is Charan and I'm a BTech third year student. Before going into today's video, let me just tell you one thing. With all your support and encouragement, our last video, that is my first video, reached almost 488 views and now we are a family of 100 members. Thank you so much each and everyone who supported me and who encouraged me, and I'm hoping the strong support in future also. I already know you can definitely support me. You guys already know, right? If not, I recently started reading books and completed my Atomic Habits book written by James Clear. In that book, our author James Clear clearly explained how to break a bad habit and how to create a good habit with scientifically proven techniques. In this video, I am going to tell one of the most useful technique, one of the favorite technique, and the rule which changed many of the successful people's life. That is the 2 minutes rule. At the beginning, I also thought that what can we do using only 2 minutes? But after reading this book completely, I realized yes, we can do a lot by using only 2 minutes. Right now, many of you wanted to do many things in your life, like someone want to reach their goals, someone want to achieve their dreams, or whatever it is. For example, someone want to learn coding, someone want to learn how to play guitar, someone want to grow muscle and look much better, someone want to be a singer, dancer, magician, or whatever it is. But the thing is, they just wanted and never tried to take even single action in their life till now. If they taken, they never been consistent towards their goals. So, ladies and gentlemen, to break this consistency barrier, our author James Clear clearly explained how to implement this 2 minutes rule and how to be more productive and how to achieve our goals much more faster. Let me explain what is 2 minutes rule by taking an example. Charan is a guy who always thinks to be a better in shape and to reduce his body fat. But he never done even a single push-up in a day and never maintained any diet. He always scrolling social media and doing unnecessary things and wasting his valuable time. And at the end of the day, he thought,
a few moments later,
I want to grow muscle. While scrolling social media, one of the productivity content creators explained what is 2 minutes rule and how to implement the 2 minutes rule. At first, Charan really want to experiment, is that 2 minutes rule really work? Then things start to change. Slowly, Charan tried to trick his brain to do workouts for only 2 minutes a day. So he just doing 2 minutes workouts per day and then doing his other works. He repeated the same process for 1 week and then he thought 2 minutes workout is not enough to achieve whatever he wants. Now he slowly started being consistent to do 2 minutes of workout for every single day. And after 1 week, he looked at himself in the mirror and he doesn't observe any change in his body. Then he thought 2 minutes of workout doesn't change my body. Then he increased his workout time from 2 minutes to 10 minutes. And after 1 week, he increased his time from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. 3 months passed. Now he is able to do 30 minutes of workout every single day. And finally, he achieved whatever he wants. So the idea here is not to stay for only 2 minutes. But the idea is to trick our brain to do more than 2 minutes. There is one Telugu quote which is one of my favorite quote in my life that is said by my mom when I was a kid. That is, గుడ్డి కన్ను కంటే మెల్ల కన్ను మేలు కదా. అంటే అసలు కళ్ళే లేకపోవడం కంటే కనీసం సగం కళ్ళు అంటారు కదా. ఈవెన్ డే ఏదో నైట్ ఏదో చూడగలిగే వాళ్ళు, సమ్ సర్టన్ డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి వాళ్ళు ఒక పర్సన్ ని గుర్తుపట్టగలిగే వాళ్ళు బెటర్ కదా. దట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ ఎ లిటిల్ బిట్. ఈవెన్ ఎ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ దాన్ డూయింగ్ నథింగ్, రైట్? అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ రియల్లీ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ or really want to chase your dreams or really want to achieve whatever you want, just try this 2 minutes rule for 1 week and see the result on your own. So this rule changed me a lot to become more consistent than previous, and I can definitely say that it can change yours too. Finally, that being said, Thank you so much for watching this video till now. And if you are following this 2 minutes rule, just comment down, I am starting 2 minutes rule. And we will meet in our next video. Until then, take care.